Video. Oh no. Hey. How's it going? What's up, Brianna? Leave my. I'm like E.T. Phone home. Ow! You stabbed me with a fork.
Yes, I did.
Ow! You're eating with that. Oh no.
Get out of my food.
You even eat like a pedophile.
Food.
You should like take it off the effect now, cause like, can you do it?
No.
Should I stop it? Should I stop it?
Mm-hmm.